Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving another question to this video, and we have x to the x all to the power of x is equal to x to the x to the x, and we have to figure out the value of the x in this equation. So first of all, let's go over some laws of the exponent. When we have a to the power of m to the power of n, this will be equal to a to the power of m times n. So basically we can multiply these two, which is the case on the left side of the equation. So basically we have x to the power of x times x is equal to x to the x to the x. And one common strategy with these kind of question is that we can do the log on each side, and the reason is that when we have the log of a to the power of b, this b can go in the back of the log, so it will be b times the log of a. So here we have the log of x to the power of x times x, which is x squared, is equal to log of x to the power of x to the x. So this can go in the back, and also this can go in the back. So basically we have x squared times log of x is equal to x to the x times log of x. And here we can cancel out the log of x, but before we do that, we need to do the log of x is equal to 0. And if that's the case, we know from the definition of the log, when we have log base a of b is equal to c, a to the c is equal to b. So we have the same thing. We know the base of log by default when we don't write it is 10. So basically we have 10 to the 0 is equal to x, meaning our x can be 1. So that's the first answer for now. Well, let's just move on to the rest of the equation. So basically we have x squared is equal to x to the x. Now that we cancel the log of x on each side, we can go with that. So here we can again see the x on the exponent. We can do again the log on each side, have log of x squared is equal to log of x to the x. The 2 and the x can go in the back of the log, so 2 times log of x is equal to x times log of x. And we can bring everything on the left side of the equation. So 2 times log of x minus x log of x is equal to 0. We can see the common factor in here. So if we factor log of x in here, we have 2 minus x is equal to 0. And now we have a times b is equal to 0, meaning a can be 0 or b can be 0. So the log of x is equal to 0. We already solved this part, and that was the answer that we found at the previous step of this equation. So x is equal to 1 is one answer, and also we have b is equal to 0. 2 minus x is equal to 0, meaning our x will be 2, and that's going to be the second answer for us and the final answer for this question. So yeah, I hope you guys find this one helpful. Let me know if you have any other solutions to solve this one. Feel free to drop it in the comment that everybody can benefit from. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer it in the comment section. And you guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.